What name are they as? Is it Bunwa? Is this Oba Bunwa? I don't know what Bunwa means, but I know that is Igbo. I don't know what Bunwa means. Is it Bunwa? Yes, Wike. Is it Oba Bunwa? The people that do not know their identity. Amalaba man, the throne that I'm sitting now, that you are seeing, the throne, is an Abama from Obo. I cannot deny, I might not like the characters of Igbo people around, but I cannot, because of that, reject my Igbo identity. I have Igbo blood flowing in my veins. I have Igbo DNA. It's a Bunwa, it's not Oba Bunwa. These are the characters that the president, Bola Tinubu, is about. Who are even denying where they come from. For whatever reason, Amechi is this thing. Wike is this thing. Which of them is answering a Benin? That about Benin. Hey, they are Benin people, everybody is not gonna go be Benin. But that is not what I'm talking about. We're talking about democracy. President Bola Tinubu, a lot of people made sacrifice. You know Painawolo, you know Alfred Iledi, you know them person, one-on-one. You know Baba Modula, you know Ola Oni. You know Beko. You know Dr. Beko. You know Dr. Fachi. I think I will meet them out with you. And a lot of people who ran away with you, who went into exile with you, you know them. You know all these people. You know those who were in the trenches with you. Do you think they have been? Kokori just died. He was there supporting you throughout in this life. Hamilton, that baby. Tony Krube. People who made painful sacrifices for your presidency today. Those of us who are alive, what have you done to identify with those of us who are alive? If there is one, should you want something in the villa that turns people, why should they turn you? That now it is characters like Years of Wike. One year at last, I believe that you will come back to become the Bola Tinubu that we know. People are suffering. I'll tell you a story. I was in my friend's house. I drove in with my cars. Somebody came and knocked the gate. Tap, boop, 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 boop. The security man went, said he wants to see our guy. The security man said, our guy is not around. He said, no. On the road, I saw our guy's convoy enter. He said, it's not. My friend's wife went to the gate because the man persisted. Well-dressed man. He said, madam, I am hungry. I've not eaten since morning. I just want Gary. So she came into the house. When this altercation was going on, my friend arrived. They gave him rice. They gave him Gary. And she said, let me do soup for you to eat. So she went inside and brought soup. When she said, yeah, he's not going to eat. She should add small soup to it. You also take it home to eat with the children. Tears started flowing down my cheek. I started crying. My friend gave him 10,000. We gave him the food. I'm not better than him. I have more than enough. I'm not better than him. These evil people you gather around you will not tell me. Because they've never been with the people. They've never been with the people. So they will never feel the pain of the people. They are regular politicians who had always been there. Leeches sucking on the people. A basin of Gary is now 29,000 in Obama. Where I live. So you are talking of minimum wage of 70,000. So when you pay somebody 70,000, you will take 29,000 to buy a basin of Gary. A family of 4. How long will that basin of Gary last? How long will that basin of Gary last? A bag of rice is 70,000. So a bag of rice is a salary of a wage earner. A bag of rice will last them for 1 month. They will be eating only rice. I have advised over and over in secret and in public. You must have the will to retrieve the naira. There's not much, because these evil men around you, as you are very close to the train station. You are going to the train station. You are close to the train station. You don't need anything. Oluremi, your wife said it. The first lady said it. You have all that you want. Now is the time for you to get closer to God, to become more religious, to serve the interests of the people. And that's why I told people, if you fail, they should hold me responsible. Because as far as I'm concerned, you don't need anything again. So when we hear the news, they are buying cars for so billion. What do you need such cars for? You have those cars. They are doing this for so billion. What do you need them for? You have them. You have them. Each time I pray for you. I pray for you because if you fail, I have said they should hold me responsible. I cannot change. What do you need these glutons around you? Wike, unbridled glutton. Clito. What do you need? You know, I have never been in government. I have all the good things of life. I have children. I have wives. I have houses. Without being in government, without doing bunkering, without embezzlement, without stealing. God is my witness. As you are today, what do you need? Is it a car? What would you do with a car? Is it a vacation to the Bahamas? To the Caribbean? What do you need it for? What you need today is to wake up in the night. If you can't do Qiyamul, you do dhikr. You take your tesbah, you do dhikr. Like your mother was doing every minute that you see her. When you go and see Mama, every time I go with you, she has people, she has her tesbah with her, she's doing dhikr. You always take me to go and visit Mama with you. In your own car. She's doing dhikr. She's doing dhikr. Every time. This is not what somebody told me. This is what I know. And you know. You have reached the stage that nothing in this world, no material thing should mean anything to you. Your only thing is to serve God and deliver your promises and services to the people. Get rid of these glutons around you. I will continue to advise you. I will continue to stand. Democracy you fought for will be meaningless. The June 12 you stood for, that you left everything and ran and went to other, people think going to other people's country is enjoyment. I'm sorry for them. It's when you go to other people's country, you have to carry your passport, you are moving, they will accost you on the road and start to harass you. That's why I can never leave my village. Anytime I go back to my village. Even Republic of Benin, where you are, Gendarmerie will see you. They think it's easy to go to another man's country. You were a senator. You left everything and went into exile. You made painful sacrifice for today. And today is now in your hand. And you are using upstart, street gangsters, motorbike cows, because Mashalari and not delete them, manipulated them to rise through the political ladder. They've become colossus. That now you ask us, all of us should pass through their feet to find ourselves dishonorable grave. We will not. If all others do it, me, Alaji Mudama, to Alaji Mujahid, Bakri, Bakri, Arabitia Bari, I will never. My survival is not on a man. It's not on you. My survival is not on any man. My survival is with Allah, who has kept me alive against all odds. How many people died during the June 12? Why did I survive? Whatever is happening in the Niger Delta, whatever is happening, If there was a borrow, what is happening? It's me that started it. I initiated it. The wealth that people are enjoying, I brought it. I will now be beating my chest. Insist. I've stayed 3 scores. You have no business with anything. You're very close to where you're going. And God will ask you, as a Amir of Nigeria, what did you do with the opportunity that I gave you? Allah will ask. Allah will ask you, what did you do, Ahmed Bola Tinubu, what did you do with the opportunity that I gave you? At that time, he said, I brought Wike. It is you that will be held responsible. It is those of you, those of us that stood with you, who also have our fair share of blame. And that's why we will not leave you. Whether you leave us or you run away, we will never leave you. It's not because we're afraid. You know that I'm not afraid. It's because I cannot go and support NOB or anybody. I don't know them. I didn't hear of them. They were supporters of evil when we were fighting against evil and dispelling darkness. So how can I go and give support to such people who I don't know, who never contributed when it was painful? Who never contributed? When we are suffering hardship, you are there. You are in the forefront. You said, Hope 93. You said renewed hope. Where is the renewed hope with these characters who know nothing but to pilfer? Who know nothing but to pilfer? Who know nothing but to line their pocket? This is just one year. First and foremost, you must retrieve the naira. You must have the will to retrieve the naira. So that whatever money is in our hand can have value. Because everything is painful. Everything is nothing. Nothing. We're standing. We're standing. We're standing. We're standing in this difficult period to bring about the change. Please, as president, the best you can do is to rail in your Wike to leave River State alone. You either love River State or you leave her alone. You cannot run us down. Okay, Wike gave us Fubara. It's okay. Let him live Fubara with us. Everywhere, Wike is going about making sure this Alaji, Dokubo, Alaji. Who you be? You think you can frighten me in a government that I am well grounded and I support it? whatever thing you are using, it will not work on you. Whatever thing you are using will not work on you. Don't even bother it, because you will fail. Others have tried before you, they failed. Wherever you go and call my name, you will fail. Because others have gone to call my name, they failed. I will continue to pray for the president, so that whatever incantation, whatever thing you are entering, whatever where you are doing, your market will close. River State must move forward. Your market will close. Mark this day, it shall not be evening. Your market will close. You can't hold River State people captive. You can't use your federal mind, your this thing, your weak, your president that you people have gone to with the evil people around you, and they are celebrating you. I assure you, your market will close. I told you, thunder will fire you. When you told the job people, you have not seen the thunder yet. The little grace you got, instead of you to savor it, hold it, and thank God, you have started. You will fall. Mark this day. I like to enjoy that work at Dokubo Asari. Allah said, you will fall. Your market will close. You can't take rivers people for a ride. Because we will ride you into the sea. When you take us for a ride, we will ride you into the sea. And all those who are celebrating and supporting you, they mark this day, they will hear it and they will see it. We thank God for the sacrifices that MKO made for democracy to be alive. And we thank God that we have a president, Tinubu, who was in the trenches, in the forefront. Very soon and very soon,